Look at these things. Good morning, guys. Look at this. I can't help but make a video out here. I'm with Pritchard and Garrett today. We're running around just filming a bunch of stuff. And we are in Cleveland right now at Lake Erie. I cannot believe how this looks. I mean, just look at what you see right behind me here. How incredible is that? Look at all these rocks. I haven't been down here to Lake Erie since I was about 10 years old, man. Look at this water coming up here, crap. Sorry, guys. Look at the sailboats out here. Here comes the water again. Look at that. That is nuts. Oh yeah. Is that the one he's always over at? I don't think that's guys, this is nuts. I hope you can hear me with all the wind. But look at them, they're up there taking pictures. I mean, even just looking at that right there, that is a beautiful picture. That is awesome. Hold on, I gotta film this. I don't know how well you guys can hear me because this wind is blowing like crazy, but just look how choppy the water is there. And when it comes up and it hits the rocks, it shoots up. Pretty cool. Over here by where Pritchard and Kara are is where the water really shoots up when it hits. If you get a big enough wave, that's what we're waiting for. That was a decent one. That wasn't too bad. Here we go. Yeah, that was a nice one. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. This is so awesome. Hey look, we got a speeder boat or whatever you call that stupid thing out there. And I believe that's a lighthouse straight ahead there. Man, look at that. guys, that's it. We had to stop and check this out. Pretty amazing. Richard and Kara with me. Got some awesome shots of them just hanging out on the rocks out there.
I got wet.
Richard got soaked. Well, not soaked, but wet. So that's it. Look at that. That's amazing out there. So, all right, guys, wherever you're waking up, whatever time it is, make the best of your day. Do something for somebody else. Pay it forward. Let's make this world a better place. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.